Hi everyone, this is Marcia from Marcia's Fab Life, and today I'm doing a Poundland haul. If you can like, comment and subscribe, I really appreciate it. So I'm going to crack on with the video. Sorry, the sun is out, it's kind of beaming on my head, so I can't stop that. So I'd just like to show you some homeware, but some other little bits and pieces that I got as well today. So I'd like to show you, I've got this ribbon here. It's quite good actually, and this was £1 from Poundland, and it you can bend it, which is really good. I thought that was really quite good actually. It's not just straight, it bends as well. So yeah, this is £1. I bought like basically 2 of them, so I might do some stuff with this. So I thought that was a good bargain as well. I also got this see if I can get it out of the wrapper, or maybe not, I might just pull it out. I've got some of this silver elastic string, so here it's quite stretchy, which is good. And this is £1. Oh, I forgot to say, this ribbon here, it says it's 2 meters, so remember that it's 2 meters for this ribbon here, which is quite good. And this one is like ribbon here, but it's like a string. Yeah, and this one is 3 meters for this one. So yeah, it's not very thick like that. So this is more like a string type. So I thought I'll show you this one, and that's £1 as well. And also got this like snowflake fairy lights. You get like 8 in here on the lights. And yeah, this one was £1 as well. I'm just going to take it out so you lot know what kind of box it is. So yeah, this one is 8. I'm going to switch it on so you can see. That was off. No, that's off, sorry. And that's on. So yeah, it's really nice. For £1 it's not bad, and you get how many is it on there? It's 10. No, sorry, tell a lie, it's 8. It's 8 on there, which I thought is really nice. Yeah, really for, no, that's certain words, I won't go into that one. But yeah, that one's, and that one is a meter and a half. Yeah, so that's 1.5 on there. Look, so I'm going to show you the box. So yeah, 1.5. And also got these little sparkle lights, but they're like little micro lights, and yeah, that's on there, and you get about 10, and this is £1 as well, which I thought was a good deal. So these are smaller, very small, so I put the batteries in there. That was, you see, they're very small, tiny micro lights. So yeah, and you get about 10 on them. So I thought that one was a good buy as well, and you get 1.45 meters. So that's there, you can see it. Yeah, and that's £1 for that. I'm going to switch this off now, put that to the side. And I also got this one. This one is a star, pearl and star one actually on this one, and this is 10 meters. No, you get 10, not 10 meters, sorry, I'm really mincing my words today, you know. But this one is a 1.45. so yeah, that's it there. I'm just gonna take it out of the box as well. Yeah, this is the lights here, and that's off, and that is on. It's on like in between the stars, as you can see. Yeah, see? In between. So yeah, you get about, how much lights you get in that? 10 as well. And it's got like the pearl and the, like the detail of the star, if you can see it. And now I'm covering my face a bit, but you know, that's the only way I'm going to show you so you can see it properly. Yeah, and that one is a 1.45 as well for that one. So that was a good bargain as well. And also got, you know, these. Now I'm going to show you this one here, these goats. And this one was £3 for this one. And they had ones that didn't have the legs on it as well, but this one I chose as well because I know a lot of people want to see them, and I know everybody goes mad about them. So yeah, and this one was £3 as well for this colour. I'm going to show you another one as well I've got here. They also got like, this one is pink as well, and it's got like this one's got like little hearts on it, if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it properly, but this one here is £3 and like the little feet and that on that. Yeah, so that one's a good buy. Yeah, if you couldn't, well, I'm going to describe this one. I'm going back to this one. That one's got like a little bit of sequins on it, and it's kind of knitted. Yeah, so I just thought I'd show you about that one again. And I picked up the other one, yeah, and this one here is the same price as well, £3, where this one's got just the plain fur on his hat, and this one's £3. Yeah, and it's also got on the feet as well. So just thought I'd show you that because I know a lot of people try and get this and they could get sold out really quick. So if I was you, you better get out there and try and get it quickly. Yeah, show you that one. And I'm going to show you this. Oh, I really love this. Yeah, this fro. I can't believe it. This was like £10 for this, and I thought it was really good. It's got like all the sequins on it, and it's quite heavy actually. It's quite good quality, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I haven't opened it up because I'm scared to open it up yet, so I just thought I'd show you it. And this is 130 times by 170 centimeters, and it's lined with velvet. Yeah, it's lined with velvet and sequins. Yeah, so that's a good buy. £10, you can't go wrong with this. This is really good still actually, and even if it's for yourself or giving it as a gift, this is really nice and it's worth the price. £10, you can't go wrong. And this is like my favourite as well. I really like this. When I saw it, you know, it comes like in a bag, or some of them might not come in a bag, it depends. This jewelry box, I really like this. It's such nice, good quality as well. It's kind of worth it, and it's not that bad. It's quite a good price, and it's for not like £10, but not £7, but £5. Can you believe it? £5 for this jewelry bag, and it's velvet as well. It's really nice to the touch, and it's got the two zips like that together. Yeah, and it's just open it up round, and it's got quite a big compartment inside of it as well. That's really worth it, you know. £5, you know, and you can put your little jewelry in there. That's what it's for, or other, you know, cosmetics, I think. But I think it's probably best if it's for like maybe jewelry and stuff, but it all depends what you want to use it for. But this is really worth it, and it's got a little handle. It's really good quality as well, nice to the touch. Yeah, £5. If you see it, you better grab it and get it quickly, because you know it is in Poundland. Once it's there, you got to get it, and then it's gone if you go back there. So I'm glad I bought that. And this has got to be my absolute favourite. Right. Is this tray. Can you see? And this was, let me see. I can't remember. No, actually, this one was £6 for this. Can you believe it? £6. This is really nice, and it's quite stunning as well for the price. I thought, you know, yeah, look at the pattern on there and everything. I can't believe my luck. When I saw this, I said, oh my gosh, I have to have this. This has got to be my favorite item, as well as the sequin and the velvet jewelry case. Yeah, sequin frog, I should say. But yeah, this is really, I really love this a lot. Really good price. And I noticed with this, you've got to grab your hands on it really quick, because they go really fast. You know, let me put that down carefully. Yeah, so that's it for the haul. So if you can like, comment and subscribe, I really appreciate it. And be safe and look after yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.